The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, 4-digit dividend and 3-digit divisor with 0, giving 0 as a part of the quotient 2. Example, 6747 divided by 330. Let us set the dividend 6747 in the right extreme of the abacus and set the divisor 330 in the left extreme of the abacus. As 0 is coming at the end of the divisor, the child should remember that, and therefore a note can be made on a braille sheet too. Even if it is missed, the beauty of abacus calculation is that the results will show as the columns allocated at the end for the remainder should be 3, as 330 is a triple digit divisor. Let us see how this can be solved. Let us take the highest digit of the dividend 6 and the highest digit of the divisor 3. As there are two 3's in 6, let us reduce 1 and take 1 as the assumed quotient. As 3 is less than 6, the quotient should be set by skipping a column to the left of the dividend. Let us multiply 330 with 1 and subtract that from 647. That means the 3 higher digits of the dividend. Multiply 1 with 3, which is 0, 3, and for this 0 is subtracted in the 10,000s column and 3 from the thousands column. For this we have to clear 5 in the upper abacus and add 2 in the lower abacus. In the next stage, we have to multiply 1 with 3 again, which is 0, 3. That means 0 should be subtracted from the thousands column and 3 should be subtracted from the hundreds column. That is, 5 is subtracted in the hundreds column and 2 added in the same column. We should not forget the 0 here. That is, the quotient 1 is multiplied with 0, which gives 0, 0, and therefore that does not affect the remaining value of the dividend. We have made an error here, but assume that you have not noticed and you start proceeding to the next stage of the division. Now take the highest digit of the dividend, which is 3, and the highest digit of the divisor, which is also 3. Therefore, the quotient should be set by skipping a column to the left of the dividend 3. It is not possible as there is a quotient already set there. This indicates that we have done some errors. Now check the highest 3 digits of the dividend, which is 344, whereas the divisor is 330. That means our assumed quotient is less than the real quotient. What do we do now? Simply add 1 to the assumed quotient and subtract 330 from the 344. That is 3 reduced in the thousands column, 3 in the hundreds column, and 0 in the tens column. Now look at the remainder, which is 147, and therefore further division is not possible. But we have to closely observe the result part. In the result area, we have 2 in the quotient followed by 2 empty columns and then 3 columns which have the number 147. As the divisor is a 3-digit number, the remainder also should be given 3 columns for their placement. The column to the left of the remainder is a separator column. And the rest belong to the quotient. As there are two empty columns, the column which is to the right of the quotient 2 is also part of the quotient, which is 0, and therefore the quotient in this problem is 20 and the remainder is 147. You can note that the zeros in the divisor and the quotient are easily detected by the placement of the numbers in the respective columns. Therefore, even if you miss noticing the zeros at the end of the numbers, analyzing the result area will clearly reveal when zeros are part of the quotient, remainder, etc.